So all of you see, here is my biology practical copy of standard 12, and I put very hard work to my project. See this. Here are the experiment. Total 14 experiment I have done. Now you can see experiment 1, experiment 1 part, experiment 2, here is experiment 2 part, here is experiment 3. This is the diagram. This one is the part of experiment 3, and now you have experiment 4. This is all the diagram that needed for experiment 4. Here is the part of experiment 4. Here are the next step of mitotic division in onion cells. Here is experiment 5 to study the pollen germination of cell. See this, how pollen germinate. Here is our next experiment, that is experiment number 6, to identify and comment on the stages of mitosis, that is liplotin, zygote, pectin, which are the part of prophase 1. And here the sub stages of the prophase 1. Here next stages of mitotic division. This is the another diagram. This is the different stages of mitotic division in onion cells up to telophase 2. Now we come to our experiment number 7 to study the and identify stages of gamete development in longitudinal section of testes and ovary. Here you can see this is the testes of the mammalian, and now this is the part of the ovary. This is ovary. This is experiment number 8. Here is the diagram related to blastocyst. Here is experiment number 9A. Now I little bit fast so you can see this, because many pages are there and I have made this only in one day. I have put lot of hard work to my project practical of bio. This is 9B. See, this is fish. You want to eat? See this. This is prawn. So difficult figure. This is experiment number 10A. Who is this? Some bad boys, chameleons. See, this is camel, the sheep of desert. And now experiment 10B. This is Opuntia, Bryophyllum. 11A. Sporozoites of Plasmodium. And this is the life cycle of the Plasmodium. See how a mosquito bite and the parasite infect. When the mosquito bite another human, sporozoite injected with the bite. See how beautiful the diagram is. I love it. This is experiment 12. This is the diagram related to that experiment. This is a part of that experiment. This is experiment number 13.A. See, salivary amylase part 1. So you can see this, the project ended. Thank you.